mathematics. This day we talk about Pythagorean theorem. So, before we start to discuss Pythagorean theorem, kilalanin muna natin kung sino naka-invento ng Pythagorean theorem, which is si Pythagoras. Pythagoras, sometimes known as Pythagoras of Samos, was an ancient Greek mathematician and philosopher today. Many people are familiar to Pythagoras because of the famous Pythagorean theorem, which is a mathematical formula to finding the length of the hypotenuse of the right triangle. It is stated that the sum of the square of the two non-hypotenuse sides of the triangle. Pythagoras made many contributions to the intellectual landscape of the ancient world. So, later on, mas madadagdagan pa ang kaalaman natin about sa Pythagorean theorem.
So, good day everyone. So, kanina na-discuss na ni Miss Jane Rose ang about kay Pythagoras. So, niyan, i-discuss ko about sa kung paano na-derive ni Pythagoras ang Pythagorean theorem. So, this is an example of triangle. So, sometimes, mas igagawin ini na right triangle because of the right angle na nagre-represent sa kanya. So, kung maimod niyo, ang square dide na mo niya nagre-represent as a right triangle. So, dati, in mga 2,500 years ago, na nagkami discovered si Pythagoras about sa relationship of the triangle sa mga side niya. So, this is the side. Kung maimod na to. So, sabi niya dito sa na-discovered niya. So, when we, kunwari, butangan tayo ni si number na 3, 4, and 5. So, this is the length of each side. So, 3, 4, and 5. So, sa discovered niya, nasabi niya dito na pag in-squared taan, duwa na length, which is the 3 and 4. So, 3 and 4. Pag in-squared na daw ini, tapos inad is equals to the length of the diagonal. So, which is the 5. I-squared naman siya. So, para maaraman ta kung tama ang pagka-discovered ni Pythagoras, i-compute tayo niya. So, the 3 raised to 2 is equals to 9 plus 4 raised to 2 is equals to 16 and 5 raised to 2 is equals to 25. So, simplify. 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. So, it equals to 25. So, kung maimod ta, tama man ang pagka-discovered ni Pythagoras. So, kanina na-discuss ta about sa relationships of right triangle at 3 sides na na-discovered ni Pythagoras. So, niyan, i-discuss ta gayapon ang about sa 3 sides na labeled niya as an A, B, and C, which is the 2 sides na naka-forms in right angle, yadi na right angle na box, is in-labeled niya as an A and B, which is the 2 legs. And ang katapat ng right angle, which is the diagonal sides, ay the hypotenuse na in-label naman ni Pythagoras as a letter C. So, kung mapapansin natin kanina sa example, nag-given ang tatlong side, which is the 3, 4, and 5, na pag in-square ang dalawang legs, at inad is equals to the hypotenuse of the right triangle. So, 16 plus 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. 25 is equals to 25, and mapansin natin na tama naman. So, kaya sa discovered ni Pythagoras about the right triangle and the three sides, ay nagkaroon tayo ng formula of the Pythagorean theorem na a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared.
Gamit ang formula, hahanapin natin ang mga nawawalang side, ang mga value ng mga nawawalang sides. So, ang formula natin is a squared plus b squared is equal to c. So, in nasa na leg, this is the a, and this is the b, and this is the c. So, siyan na wara. So, ang a mo yung atasan 4 squared plus 3 squared is equal to c squared. Then 16 plus 9 is equal to c squared. Then add this number 25 is equal to c. Then, so, para makuha taan balusin side na ini, kaya kung ano gamit sa square root, like erog sila. Di cancel, makakalawasan c. Then, 5 raised to 2. Then, c cancel, dito may iwasan 5. So, c is equal to 5. Ang balasan hypotenuse na nawari is 5. So, dito naman kata sa Leo na kung di nanawara din is ang B. O ng B, A, ng C. So, ang nanapunta naman din is ang B or ang sarang na leg. Gamit kihapon ang formula na A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So, A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Sa A squared, may ang batasin 15 squared plus B, kapilang ang B, tapos square, tapos equal to sa C may ang batasin 17 squared. Then multiply by this, so 15 times 15 to 25 plus B squared, kapilang ang B squared equal to 289. Then, para mahanap ka na value today, sa side na ini, pakuha ang number na ini, then subtract by, subtract na siya din sa 225. Subtract 225. Subtract both sides. 225. So, makancel. Copy ang B. B squared is equal to 64. Magamit ihapon sa square root para makuhaan values in B. So, square root of B square Then, square root of 64. So, hindi makakancel na katulad eh. Makakalawasan b equal to square root of 8. 8 square. Dito sa 64, perfect square siya. Kaya mga panalawasan. Then, makakancel. So, b is equal to 8. The value of b is 8. So, sa dito naman na side, hanapin ko naman dito ang value sila na sa na legs, which is a, then b, and c. So, dito yan hanapin ko dito is ang value sa a. Using ganun ulit yung formula na a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So, since wala man value on a, copy lang, a squared plus the value of b, 12 squared is equal to value of c is 15 squared. So, proceed. Copy the a squared plus 12 times 12 is 144 equal to 225. Then, kuha ko gyapon ng pinakababa na number, then subtract. So, minus 144, then minus 144. Then, makancel. Copy ang a squared is equal to so, para makuha talaga po ng values in a, so kapag nagyapon magamit siya square root. So, sa a, pwede na ito mag-cancel. So, a, pwede cancel was is equal to square ng 81 is 9 square. So, cancel. Maluluwas na naman 9. So, a is equal to 9. So, this is the value of a. The value of a is 9. So, let's proceed to next topic.
So, good day everyone. Kanina tinalakay ni Mr. Balaoro yung kung paano gamitin yung formula sa Pythagorean theorem. Ngayon, susubukan naman natin siyang i-apply sa real-life situation. First example is this one. Assume that this is your house and this is you. Hindi mo kayang gusto mong sukatin yung height ng bahay mo pero hindi mo siya mabot kasi nga masyadong mataas. Instead pwede kang gumamit ng hagdan, panukat, nito. Gamit ang Pythagorean theorem. Pagpalagay natin na this is a triangle. This is your hypotenuse or letter C, B, and A. Susukatan natin siya at alamin natin kung ano ang height ng bahay. Pythagorean theorem, susubukan natin hanapin yung length ng letter B o yung kataas ng bahay. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. A is equal to 3 squared plus B squared kasi yun yung hinahanap natin, tsaka C is equal to 5 squared. Then proceed. 9. 3 squared is equal to 9 plus B squared is equal to 5 squared is equal to 25. And then transpose number 9 to this side. B squared is equal to 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. Kanina, pinaliwanag ni Mr. Balauro kung anong gagawin sa part na to. Yung gagawin is gagawin square root. Ay, hanapin yung square root ng dalawa para hanap natin kung anong value ng letter B. Lipat natin sa B squared is equal to 16. Square. Cancel. B is equal to square root of 16. Square root of 4 squared. And then cancel. So, B is equal to 4. At yun, using the Pythagorean theorem, nahanap natin na the height of the house is equal to 4 or 4 squared. Let's move on to the second example. Assume that this is a TV. Di ba, nung mga bata pa tayo, pag sinabing 32 inches, akala natin is yung 32 inches na tinutukoy is from this point to this point. Pero, yung tinutukoy talaga na 32 inches is from here up, from upper left down to right. At dito mapapansin natin na para masukat yung yung sinasabi na 32 inches is ginamitan siya ng Pythagorean theorem, and this line here represents a hypotenuse. And yun nga, yung unang example tsaka itong pangalawang example is ilan lamang yung sa mga pwede natin gawing example sa application ng Pythagorean theorem. And that's all. Thank you.